Today, I would be discussing our project In Exhale Residence, which is across a plot area of 5,227 square feet located in Maranjeri in Malappuram district of Kerala. Hi everyone, my name is Fazil Moiduni from Architecture Seed. Before I start, please note that you can download the full PDF ebook of this house with detailed floor plans, photos and fact file from buildify.com, and the link is mentioned in the description below. The In Exhale Residence is a private home for a family of 3 located in the countryside with plenty of coconut trees and surrounded by lush paddy fields. The focus of the design was to respond to the context of the site and its climatic aspects while keeping in mind the client's requirement of a simple home in a serene environment. The site is approached by a road in the east and it's located between paddy fields in the north and west. These vast open fields ensure continuous wind flow through the site. Strategically, 2 nodes in the form of courtyards were identified along the direction of the wind. The primary node, which is the internal courtyard, is placed in such a way that it is visually connected and experienced from all the rooms of the house. The secondary node is the external veranda with a sit-out courtyard, which channels the wind towards the interior of the house, thereby making the primary node the lungs of the house. To amplify the breathability of the entire house, jali work was incorporated into the building's facade, ensuring that the house inhales cool breeze and exhales hot air. The ground floor comprises 2 bedrooms with attached toilets, kitchen, dining and living spaces. The first floor has 1 bedroom with an attached toilet and a family room. The internal courtyard ties the whole house together by capturing a scaled version of the landscape within the house. A play of volumes ensures the active flow of wind throughout the house. The low ceiling of the veranda at the entry creates a welcoming feel as one proceeds into the house. From the veranda, one enters the house into a 15 feet height living room with a courtyard, which further leads to a double height dining space. A bridge cuts across this volume, bringing in a sense of scale and creating a visual link between the 2 floors of the house. The bridge also functions as a family room on the first floor. A set of clear-story windows and a central skylight interlaced with pergolas guarantee an interior flooded with natural light. By noon, the sunlight through the skylight washes the floor of the courtyard, nurturing the growth of the ficus. The light from the second skylight above the staircase moves along the colored wall, creating a cheerful ambience within the house. The facade is a composition of mostly projected planes and voids held together with jali screens. A conscious effort has been made to keep an understated expression of the build while letting the landscape have the stronger voice. An exposed concrete staircase with cantilevered steps, teakwood doors and windows against a backdrop of white walls and grey tile flooring lend an earthy feel throughout the house. Kadapa stone, which is easily available in the area, is used for the pavers and coping. A polished concrete bench in the veranda, shaded by a bosida tree, offers visitors a moment's rest. Multiple screens of terracotta jali and a few painted walls interspace the largely white exterior of the house and the swaying coconut trees. Thank you for being part of this journey of the In Exhale Residence. In case you have any design queries, post them in the comment section below. I would be happy to respond to them personally as much as possible.